I'm going to show you how to edit in Wikipedia. So it is really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your browser, it could be anything. And once you're there, just select the article that you want to edit. You could go to the Wikipedia page first, or you could just search for the article first. I'm just going to go to Wikipedia, which is right over here. And now, once you're in the article that you want to edit, you just need to look at this options over here like read, edit source, and view history right over here. Just focus on edit source right over here. Just go ahead and tap here, and now you will notice that now you can edit it. So if you think some of the informations are wrong and you want to change them, you can do that. Click this. It's completely your choice. And this way you would successfully be able to edit in Wikipedia. Just go ahead and tap on publish changes, and there you go.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.